Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now friends, in these volatile markets, it helps to be in a group where people have shared interests in the form of stock investments. If you want to go ahead and join such a group where there are many senior people who have seen multiple stock market cycles and have benefited out of it, please go ahead and click on the Telegram link provided in the pinned comment. This is a two-way group where everyone can go ahead and share knowledge, ask questions, etc. Now friends, in this video, we'll be talking about a small cap company where Radhakishan Damani has again bought 16 lakh shares on the BSE at Rs 94.97. He has also been buying this stock in the recent past. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is India Cements Limited, which is available at Rs 95.65 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is INDIACEM. Now India Cements Limited is a holding company which engages in the manufacture and sale of cement and clinker. It operates through the following brands, which are Sankar Superpower, Coromandel King and Rasi Gold. The company was founded in 1946 and is headquartered in Chennai, India. Now looking at the 1 year chart, this company has been a wealth destroyer for the majority of the year, but of late it has been showing some strength largely on account of news which has come out regarding Radhakishan Damani's sustained buying in this particular company. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 2,964.17 crores. The EPS of 2.79 translates into a slightly expensive price to earnings ratio of 34.28, which is also much more expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 26.84. The price to book ratio of 0.56, however, is on the cheaper side. Now the company has a high debt to equity of 0.5851, whereas the dividend yield for this company stands at a figure of 0.84%. Now one worrying factor for this company is the low promoter holding of 28.30, out of which 27.22% is pledged. Now friends, we are going through a very tough market and hence it might pay to be a bit more careful against any of the small cap or mid cap purchases or coattailing that we may be doing. Now friends, please join us on our free Telegram group, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. Also, please don't treat this as a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.